I take you to be my best friend, my faithful partner, and my one true love. I promise to encourage you and inspire you and to love you truly through good times and bad. I will forever be there to laugh with you, to lift you up when you're down, and to love you unconditionally through all of our adventures in life together.
I promise to love you without condition, to honor you each and every day, to laugh with you when you're happy, to support you when you're sad, to guide you when you ask for direction, to challenge you to be a better person, and allow you to do the same for me, to be your biggest fan and ever-present listening audience.